Again.
Okay, we are group 5, and the title of our article is Generalization in a Child's Oppositional Behavior Across Home and School Settings by Robert G. Waller, Vanessa N. Vigilante, and Paul Strand. In this article, the authors began their efforts to follow up on previous studies of a similar nature. In two of the studies, positive correlations occurred with maladaptive behaviors across settings, and in two other studies, negative correlations occurred. With the inconsistency of the results, as well as the small number of studies that have been done, the authors agreed that there was a need for more research to be done. The authors use an ABAB design to gain information on the relationship between a child's oppositional behavior and the inappropriate social attention from authority figures across settings. According to the authors, in order to examine the particular relationship, observations were conducted on neutral approaches, negative approaches, positive approaches, compliance, non-compliance, or timeout. Furthermore, the authors suggest oppositional behavior is controlled by attention from authority figures. The research in this study is relevant to the field considering there are many children who exhibit disobedient behavior towards authority. However, it can change depending on the setting and the strategies used. The findings in this study could assist children with reducing oppositional behavior in the future.
The participants of this study included a 9-year-old boy, his mother, who's 30 years old, single parent, working class, and his teacher, who's 35 years old, 12 years experience. The child who participated in the study was referred to the clinic due to oppositional of his mother's authority. The clinic where the study took place was a university mental health clinic. Dependent variables for the study included percentage of enrolls at home and percentage of enrolls at school. These intervals referred to oppositional behavior from Harry, the participant, as well as inappropriate attention from his mother at home and teacher at school. The independent variable in the study was sessions. In this ABAB study design, the format included a baseline, parent training, follow-up, and another parent training. The baseline entailed same-day 1-hour observations across home and school settings. The behavior of both child and adult was observed across a total of 38 sessions, including the home and school setting. The standardized observation code revised was the tool utilized for observations. In addition, an internal observer agreement was conducted by a secondary observer.
Results of the study produced numerous findings. First, the results indicate that there was a particular setting where the participant was more oppositional, which in this case, it was a school setting. Next, the inappropriate attention that was provided by the participant's mother was reduced after parent trainings were conducted. Lastly, when the participant's oppositional behavior decreased at home, it increased at school. The findings of the study were interesting. Additional studies need to be conducted to include a more diverse group of participants. In addition, it would be important to determine why oppositional behavior decreased in one setting and increased in the other. Knowing the classroom size, the subject being taught, and time of day the observation took place during would impact the reliability of the study. And that concludes our summary. Thank you very much for listening to our summary of this article. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out to us. Thank you.